everyone, Tara here from Tara's Treasure Trove. I'm making this video today because I want to talk about the Craft with Heart card kit subscription from Close to My Heart. For a full year now, Close to My Heart has had a subscription box program for scrapbooking. And now, as of September 2019, they have unveiled a card kit subscription box also, which we are going to unbox today. I got mine a few days ago. I have not looked inside yet. I've been waiting to do it with you. But basically, you can either purchase it separately every 4 months. You can do an annual subscription, which is what I did, and it comes with everything you need to build up your card collection for a 4-month period. You get to make 24 cards. All you need is glue, and it comes with ink and stamps and a stamp block, everything. The scrapbook program is also amazing. I did that one last year, but I'm more of a card maker, so I was really excited to check this one out. But there's definitely both, and I will leave the information below for you to check out the links if you're interested in subscribing. Let's look at what exactly comes with the kit. This is the box that everything comes in. I actually have not had a chance to open this up and look through it. I've been really busy with work, so I have not opened this. The only thing that I've done is cut the tape that's along the front to make it easier for this video. But I have not actually looked inside or seen what's in here, so we're unboxing this together, which is really fun and exciting. But here you can see it says Craft with Heart. It's got the little logo. It's a really pretty box. I love pretty packaging. I don't know about you guys. And then once we open it, of course, there's a packing slip on top. There's always a packing slip included with anything you order from Close to My Heart. And then these are all of the fun little goodies that come inside. So it looks like this bag here is probably all of, it's all of the envelopes that you're going to need for your cards. So you've got the little 3x3 envelopes for this kit, and then some size A2 card envelopes for this kit. And of course that would come with every single kit, whatever size you needed. Looks like this kit's going to have some shaker cards in it. So we've got some shaker window foam and acetate. And right here is the acetate on top, the little acetate sheets. You can't see them hardly on camera, I'm sure. And then all these little foam stickers with the foam rings around them. And this is some ribbon. You're going to know that your kit will come with all of the embellishments that you need. So this is some white and gold ribbon that's got gold on the edges. Really pretty. These are some loose sequins. Now these particular ones are in the color of the year, the brand new color of the year, julep. And you can see here there's big sequins and little sequins, and then even some heart-shaped sequins. So those are going to come in different shades of that julep color and white. I love the loose sequins right now. Now every kit that you get for this is going to come with a acrylic block. It's thinner than our usual acrylic blocks because it's, you know, just to fit in this little subscription kit. But whatever size that you need to do the stamping that's required for the kit is the size of block that you'll get. So you would get one block with every single kit that you get. You're also going to get a coordinating ink pad with every single kit. So in this case, they decided that black was the color, which is great. It's a universal color, so even when you're done with this kit, you can still get a lot of use out of this ink pad. So it's just our regular dye inks. So this one is just a plain black. And then you're going to get a stamp set with every single kit. And the nice thing about the stamp sets is every card will have 2 options. So like in this case, you can see there's 2 blocks here. One says winter, one says wishes. And then here there's 2 banners. One says Happy Holidays and one says Merry Christmas. So you can decide which block you want to use for your particular card. And that way you can kind of personalize them more. And you'll get that stamp set with every single kit. Both of the kits, whether you get the scrapbook kit or the card making kit, will come with the little artist card. It just kind of has a little saying on it, and just it's really decorative. You could use this in another project. You could make a card out of it. You could make a piece of art out of it, or you could just have it hanging around for like your bulletin board or something. And this one says, be your own kind of beautiful. I think it's really cute. I always save these and find something to use them for later. And on the back is a little message from Jeanette, who is the founder of Close to My Heart. This one says, hello, receiving a handmade card in the mail always makes my day. A card can be the perfect sentiment to recognize any occasion. If you enjoy this program, I invite you to check out our Craft with Heart scrapbooking subscription as a way to document your memories quickly and beautifully. Make it from your heart, Jeanette. Now, I did try out the scrapbook subscription for a full year last year, and that was really fun, but I'm more of a card maker, so I was extremely excited when they rolled this out this year. So this is called the Cut Above Card Kit, and then you've got this lovely image here of some of the cards that are included. You can see there's a rainbow card. Here's one of the shaker cards. This one has a really nice wreath on it. And in here you have the list of kit contents. This is the shaker window tips. And then you've got little tips listed underneath each image to tell you how to put the card together. And you will get to make 2 of each card that's listed in here. Now here, wrapped up all together in this plastic, is all of the bases for the cards. So let's unwrap this together. Okay. So here we have all of the 3x3s, and like I said, you get 2 of every one. So this is that rainbow card that we saw in the picture. There's 2 of that base. This one has some little yellow stars on it. This one's just plain. Here is a really beautiful blue floral. Blue's my favorite color, so I really love that. I've got this nice green. That'd be great for a holiday card. I imagine this kind of burgundy color is also going to be for a holiday card. Kind of a plain grid background. Oh, here's another in that kind of burgundy, but it's got these cool hearts and this faded spot on the front. This one looks like it's got maybe some white holly berries or something on it. These are really cool backgrounds. See, the nice thing is with these kits, you get a huge variety without having to have a big variety of paper. I really love the scallop detail on this one. Oh, and here, this one has some snowflakes, clearly for the holidays or winter type card. And again, scallops, and I don't know if you can see, there's a little bit of stitch detail on the edge. And then these are the embellishments. So they give you a bunch of die cuts. So all of these bits will punch out, and then you just have to glue them down onto the card. So there's snowflake, candles, stars, some clouds, banners. Here's some more. There's that wreath that we saw before. Little hearts, a bicycle. Very cute. Poinsettia. There's some background pieces. Really neat. There's a holiday tree, some more background bits, a banner, tag. So you get double everything because you're going to make 2 of each card. That is everything that you get in these kits. You get all of these die cuts, all of these card bases, the block, the ink, the stamp set. You're going to get anything you need, like the shaker foam and acetate, the ribbon, and the sequins to embellish. all of the envelopes that you could possibly want, a little message from the company, plus the full color instruction sheet with tips on how to put everything together. If you're interested in subscribing to this kit, I'm going to leave the link below. You can also follow that link to check out the scrapbooking kit. And if you have any questions, you can email me, you can message me here on YouTube or on Facebook, and I'd be happy to answer any questions you have. And until then, I hope you guys have a wonderful time crafting. I'll catch you later. Bye.